Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.3. So here problems are here to find the area of a triangles. So here is one formula in this exercise. That formula is very important. We should keep in our mind. So how to remember that formula? There is one trick here. So you should take first area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2. Then you take square bracket. So first you have to write down like this: x bracket y minus y. Then close the bracket plus x. Same y minus y plus x, y minus y, close the bracket, then close the square bracket. Now after this what we should do? First you should write here 1. Okay. Then 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Serial. Okay. Then here we wrote 1. Next point what we should do here? 2, 3. Then 1. Okay, now for example here 1, 2, 3. So first you should come to the point 2, then point 3, 2 to 3, then again we should go to 3 to 1 like this. Okay, now here 2, 3, 1. Now here x2 we wrote, then here what we should write here? x3. After 3 what we should write? 1 and 2. 1, 2. So this is the formula we have to remember to find the area of a triangle. Okay. Now here exercise 7.3 first main, that is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are here given 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Okay. Now here let A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Okay. Now first after this what we should do? So here in this diagram we can take x1, y1, then x2, y2, here x3, y3. Okay, you can start from any point. Okay. Now after writing that, you should copy this formula. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABC. That is name of that triangle ABC. Then this is equal to 1 by 2. Same formula you have to copy. x1 y2 minus y3, then plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, close this square bracket. Then substitute the values of here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in this formula. Okay. 1 by 2 should copy as it is. x1. What is x1 here? 2. Then y2 minus y3. What is y2 here? 0. Minus y3, what is there? Minus 4 is there. But here minus is there. Minus into minus plus. So we should write 4. Then plus x2. What is x2 here? x2 is minus 1. So minus 1 into plus. So it becomes minus 1. Then y3. Okay. So what is y3 here? Minus 4. Then minus y1. What is y1? 3. Then plus x3. What is x3? x3 is 2. Then bracket y1. What is the y1? 3. Minus y2, 0. Now close the bracket. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Then 2 into 0 plus 4, that is equal to 4. Then this minus you should write as it is. Minus 1 both are negative, that means keep minus sign and add. When both are negative, keep minus sign and add. So that is minus 4 plus 3, that is 7. The next point, so this you can write in bracket. So plus 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, so into 3. Then 1 by 2 as it is. So this 1 by 2 as it is, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then minus into minus, it becomes plus. 1 into 7, 7, plus 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then next point. Now add all these values. Now 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. So 21 divided by 2 square units. So area of a triangle is 21 by 2 square units. So again, if you want, you can write in decimal also. So 21 by 2 answer is, that is 10.5. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are in the first main second question. Minus 5, comma minus 1, 3, comma minus 5, 5, comma 2. Solution. Let A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. So here A point we can take minus 5, comma minus 1. The next point 3, comma minus 5. Then 5, comma 2. Okay. C is 5, comma 2. Right? Then area of a triangle ABC, you know that is the formula in previous problem also. I told you how to remember that area of a triangle formula here. Okay, same formula again you have to copy it. Okay, now after this again you can take here x1, y1, then x2, y2, here x3, y3. Okay. Now nothing is here, just you have to substitute all the values x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So here 1 by 2 as it is, square bracket. So what is the x1 there? Minus 5. Bracket y2. What is the y2 here? Minus 5. Now this minus you should write as it is. y3, 2. Then plus x2. So what is the x2 here? 3. Then y3, 2. Minus y1. Minus 1 is there. So already here is minus. Minus into minus, plus. So plus. Now here x3. What is x3? 5. y1. Minus 1. Minus y2. y2 is minus 5. So here minus is there. Minus into minus, plus. So 5. Close this square bracket. Then 1 by 2 as it is, minus 5 also as it is. Now here both are negative. Keep minus sign and add. Minus sign, 5 plus 2, 7. Then plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3 into 3. Then plus 5. Here minus 1 plus 5. That means you have to subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. So into 4. So 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. 5 7s are 35. Plus 3 3s are 9. Plus 5 4s are 20. Now add all this. So 35 plus 20. 55. 55 plus 9, 64 divided by 2 square units. So again, if you want, you can reduce here. Or 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Okay, then 2 2s are. So this is 32 square units. Understood?